Hello, this question has broken the internet because majority of the students that have attempted this question got it wrong. How? Let's look at the question. Some said that we can say 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then multiply by another 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this is 4. This is wrong. Stop it. This is very, very wrong. It's very, very wrong. Don't get it. This is not correct. So what is the correct answer to this particular question? Let us look at it. Let us look at it. Now, we are going to apply this acronym called PEMDAS. We're going to apply this acronym called PEMDAS. What is the meaning of PEMDAS? Fine. P stands for, let me write it out. Parenthesis. Parenthesis. All right. E stands for E. Stands for exponential. M stands for multiplication. Okay. D stands for division. A stands for addition. Y. S stands for subtraction. Now, with this acronym, let us now look at this particular question. We are going to consider the order and the priority of this particular acronym. What do we mean? Now, looking at the question again, I said that when we talk of the parentheses, we are talking about numbers in brackets. Parentheses mean brackets. Okay? And that means we are going to start with the numbers in the brackets. And note, multiplication and division has the same priority. And when you consider them having the same priority, you always consider them from the left. Our left-hand side is this, while our right-hand side is this. Okay, I hope we are getting it. All right. Now, we said parentheses or parentheses. Now, we start from the value inside the what? Inside the bracket. So, now, solution. Solution. That means 3 minus 1 will give us what? 2. Okay, by the time we subtract 1 from 3, we have 2. So, the question now becomes 3 minus 1 inside into bracket 2. Beautiful. Now, having written this, anytime you have a number closely beside a bracket, what it means is you are multiplying that number when you expand by the number outside the bracket. What I'm simply saying is this one will now become 3 minus 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 2. Okay? Now, don't get it twisted. Don't be confused. Don't be tempted. Stop it. Don't be tempted. Don't say 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. No. Stop it. Don't do that. Now, what you're going to do is now, you now apply this principle of PEMDAS. Now, the first priority will be given to what? Multiplication, because you have considered parentheses, and there's no exponential in this particular question, in this value. So the next is now multiplication. So that means you're going to multiply 1 by 2. So this will now become what? 3 minus 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. So we subtract 2 from 1. You subtract 2 from 3. You now get what? You get 1. Okay? So that means the answer to this question is 1. The answer to this question is 1. Now let me give us an exercise which will be submitted inside the comment section. Now you solve this. Now solve this. Let's Let me give us an exercise that we're expected to submit inside the what? Comment section. Okay? What is, using this principle, what is 8 minus 3 into brackets 7 minus 4? 8 minus 3 into brackets 7 minus 4. Don't make mistakes. I've actually told you what to do. Okay? This looks like a matrix, but it's real. 8 minus 3 into brackets 7 minus 4. So write the answer to this in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. God bless you. Bye.